Hello reader, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Grace on Goddess माँ सरस्वती। माँ सरस्वती की दुआ से आशा करते हैं कि आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। अगले दिन की तरह आज आप सबों के बीच फिर उपस्थित है एक नया मैजिक लेके, जिस मैजिक की सहायता से आप सीखेंगे अंग्रेजी। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, इस बदलते जमाने में बिना इंग्लिश का अच्छे जीवन की कल्पना नहीं कर सकते। आइए इसे बखूबी हम लोग थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने का मैं प्रयास करता हूं। अगर वर्ड की खूबसूरती आपके दिल को चुभे तो अपनी प्रतिक्रिया अवश्य लिखें। डियर लर्नर, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉडर्न टाइम every human need to learn in English, because if you go to market, that time you visited lots of things and lots of substances, like lots of brands name, all brands name written fully in English. Like taken some example, Keeler is a brand's name. Keeler company, mat, jeans, and also shirt, these all are. And also Sparky is a brand's name, and Lakme Kajal, these all are brand's name, and all brands name fully written in English. That time we don't know how to read in English proper way. That time we will purchase duplicate things. Come on, take in some example. Like you already know that pen. Pen means what? Pen means column. With the help of pen, we write any letter and any words. And also pan. Pen means what? Pen means kadahi. With the help of pen, we make vegetable. And also pain. Pen. Pen means what? Pen means dirt. Anyone hurt me, that time we feel pain. Anyone hurt me, that time we will feel pain. And also, dear learner, you already look at this board. Look at this board. PAN and PAIN. All words pronunciation are similar and same, but meanings are different. Just like PN pen means column, and PN pen means karahi, and PIN pen means dirt. Same here, dear learner. If you don't know correctly read English, that time you purchase not brands, you purchase duplicate things. And duplicate things means what? No value, no guarantee of that things. Okay, आशा करते हैं कि आप कुछ न कुछ इंग्लिश के इम्पोर्टेंस को इस डेली लाइफ में समझे होंगे। तो फिर आगे हम लोग फिर बढ़ेंगे।